It's a 2011 Lexus LS 460. Style and comfort, performance and control, indulgence. In this Lexus, you get it all. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, memory steering wheel settings, aluminum wheels, V8 engine, rear wheel drive, AM/FM satellite radio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and memory exterior door mirror settings. Automobile muses that fine musical instrument metaphor is taken quite seriously in Lexus land. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.